Hello everyone, welcome back to Introduction to Petroleum Engineering. This week we begin reservoir engineering, and our first topic is rock properties. These are the properties that control what the reservoir can store, how it can flow, and how it responds when we produce or inject fluids. In practice, rock properties are the foundation for reserve estimation, production forecasting, reservoir simulation, and also subsurface storage projects like CO2 storage. Today we focus on the three most important rock properties: porosity, permeability, and compressibility. Let's locate today's topic inside the full course roadmap. In earlier weeks we covered geology, geophysics, drilling, petrophysics, and well logging. Those topics helped us find reservoirs and measure reservoir properties. Now reservoir engineering starts. We take those properties and ask, how will this reservoir behave over time? Rock properties are the first step because they control storage space, flow capacity, and pressure response. Everything we do later, fluid properties, material balance, reservoir modeling, builds on today. Here's the structure of today's lecture. We start with an introduction and a big picture summary. Then we go into porosity, then permeability, then compressibility. Finally, we recap and preview the next topic. I recommend you learn this lecture as a connected story. Porosity explains storage, permeability explains flow, and compressibility explains how the reservoir changes when pressure changes. This slide summarizes the key idea. Reservoir engineers care a lot about porosity, compressibility, and permeability. Porosity tells us what fraction of the rock volume is pore space. This is the container size for fluids. Permeability tells us how easily fluids can move through the connected pore network. This controls deliverability to the well. Compressibility tells us how pore volume changes when pressure changes. This controls pressure depletion behavior, compaction, and sometimes surface subsidence. A good reservoir requires a balance. A rock can be very porous but produce poorly if permeability is low. A rock can be permeable but still be challenging if pressure drops cause strong compaction or changes in flow capacity. That's why reservoir engineering treats these properties together, not separately.